Let's take a look at the rules for rounding after addition or subtraction, or addition and subtraction both. Okay, so the general rule is that you'll always go with the number that's given to you with the least number of decimal places. That's what you're going to express your final answer with. So let's take a look at an example. So if you look at this example, we can see that you have a number with 3 significant figures, now a number with 2 significant figures. Remember, we're looking at decimal places when we're doing addition and subtraction. So we're looking at 2 decimal places out here, and out here we have 1 decimal place, which means we have to express our answer with only 1 decimal place, with the least number of decimal places. Therefore, if you add these two together, we get 5.42. So that's what your calculator is going to give you. You can even do that in your head. That's what you'll get. Now turns out you have an extra decimal place out here, okay? And the rules for significant figure state that you're going to go with, you're going to express your answer with the same number of decimal places as one of the initial numbers with the least number of decimal places. So that's going to be this one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get rid of that because the rules for rounding state that that's less than 5. So we'll ignore it. So therefore, the answer out here is going to be 5.4. Let's take a look at this example. Out here you can see that you have 3 numbers added together, and while these two have decimal places, this one has no decimal place, which means the answer you're going to get has to be expressed with no decimal places. So if you add these together, your calculator should give you this answer. And so now we're going to drop everything that's a decimal place, because this one has no decimal places, then that's going to be a guide. Therefore, if we drop everything out here, because that's the first digit is a 2, is less than 5, so therefore indeed the rule is to drop it. So therefore this is going to be 151, and there you have it. That's your answer, correctly rounded.